Hello shoe people, it's Dylan Dardano again with Dardano Shoes, and I'm here today to demonstrate our simple 4-step process to evaluate if your shoes are ready for repair. At Dardano Shoes, we believe a good pair of shoes is worth saving. Our wide span of expert repair services can help you to keep your favorite shoes going for many years to come. The first step to see if your shoes are ready for repairs is to inspect the condition of the uppers. The upper of the shoe is the first part that people see, and walking around in a dirty, scuffed up pair of shoes is like walking around with a wrinkled t-shirt with stains on it. Yikes. Inspect the uppers of your shoes for scuffs, scratches, stains, or areas where the material may be dried out or fading. Reconditioning or shining the uppers of your shoes will make them look great again. The second step to see if your shoes are ready for repair is to inspect the outsoles of the shoes. The outsole of the shoe is important because it is there to absorb shock, provide traction, and protect the shoe from the ground. Look at the bottom of your shoes first to see if the soles are losing tread, the heels are wearing out, or if any pieces are missing. Replacing the heels or soles of your shoes is like putting a new set of tires on your car. They will provide you with confident wear for many miles to come. The third step to see if your shoes are ready for repair is to look at the stitching. Stitching can come undone in many different places of the shoe, but can easily be fixed. Look closely at the seams, the flex points, and around the collar of the shoe for worn out stitching. Sandals and other shoes with straps can oftentimes need repairs to the elastic or Velcro as well. The fourth and final step to see if your shoes are ready for repair is to look at the interior of the shoe. The interior of the shoe is the part that we often forget about because it's difficult to see. The interior of the shoe is especially important because it is the part that hugs and supports your feet. Inspect the interior of the shoe to see if the lining is worn out or if the insoles are ready to be replaced. A brand new pair of insoles can make an old pair of shoes feel new again. So that's it. You've now learned the 4-step process to evaluate if your shoes are ready for repair. Go digging around in your closet and see if there's any footwear that could use a little TLC. Dardano Shoes and our expert repair craftsmen are here and ready to help. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to see more shoe videos from Dardano's, please subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions or video requests, comment below. Dardano Shoes is here to help you put your best foot forward.